Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm BeautyByAJ, and today's video is going to be a review on this hair from Wiggins hair. So if you would like to see this review, make sure you keep on Make sure you keep on watching, and if you have not already done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button and help me get my subscriber count up because I am almost to 1,000, just a few hundred away. So help you girl. Wow, so help your girl get to 1,000, and yeah. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna get right into the video because we don't want to spend too much time. Back up, Kenzie. Ooh. We don't want to spend too much time on this review, and I do have a paper here just to help guide me to make sure that I'm not rambling. So to start off, as I already said in the intro, this hair is from Wiggins hair. And I did get it off of their official website, which will be linked below. Shh, I'm talking. I got it from their official website, not the AliExpress website, or not the AliExpress store. So from the official website, and I got Bodywave, and I got
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Kennedy, I'm trying to record. As I was saying, I got this hair from their official store, or their official website. I got this hair from the official website, not the AliExpress store. And I got 4 bundles and a closure. For the bundles, I got 20, 22, and 2 24s. And then for the closure, I got a 20-inch Bodywave closure. And it was free part. So all of this is Bodywave. So altogether for all 4 bundles and the closure, I did pay $284. It was originally $300 or so, but I did have a discount code, which I just found looking at other people's reviews on YouTube. I found a discount code, and I know right now they have a sale going on for Halloween. If you are thinking about buying this hair, I would suggest buying it around this time because they do have a sale going on, so you can get I think it's $30 off of orders that are $2.99 and above. So honestly, when I calculated it, my total would have came up to $270 or $277 versus $284. So just a couple extra dollars, but every dollar counts. So I ordered this hair on the, let's see, on the 7th, 8th. I want to say I ordered this hair on the 7th of October, and it shipped to me on the 9th. And before it shipped, I did get an email saying, you know, just confirming what I ordered to make sure, because they said if I didn't respond within the next 4 hours, they were just going to go ahead and send it. But if I had responded, they would send the hair, or, you know, go ahead and ship the hair immediately. So I mean, it really wasn't that big of a difference time-wise, but I went ahead and emailed them back. So my hair shipped on October 9th, and then the hair didn't get to me until October 15th because of Columbus. Because of Columbus Day. So, you know, a lot of the mail carriers weren't operating, so it took like, I was supposed to get my hair originally on that Saturday, but I didn't get it until that Tuesday because of Columbus Day. So shipping took a little bit longer than normal, but I think if you order on any you know, other day that's like a normal day, I think you would get it in like 3 days. Now let's talk about customer service. So as I already said, when I ordered the hair, I got an email right away saying, you know, this is what we received. If this is correct, let us know and we'll go ahead and ship it. If not, go ahead and correct it. That way we can get you what you really wanted and blah, blah, blah. And keep in mind, I don't get sent free hair, nothing like that. So I got that one email, and then on that Saturday, once the hair got into my city, I got an email saying that there was, you know, that the hair is near me and be on the lookout because the hair should be arriving in 1 to 2 days. And just, you know, make sure you're aware because I guess you have to sign for it. I didn't have to sign for it because my mailbox is in my leasing office. if that makes sense. So the leasing office signs for it, if that makes sense. But I guess if you live at like a house or something, you'll probably have to sign for the hair to make sure that it is going where it's supposed to. And then once I did receive the hair, they sent me an email saying that they got a notification that I received the hair, and they gave me like some extra care instructions on what to do and how to take care of the hair and all that. Which I'm not stupid. I know how to take care of hair. I have my own hair that I take care of. So, you know, I really didn't need the email, but it was a nice gesture on their part. I did dye it, and I dyed all 4 bundles and the closure jet black. It may not be all the way black. I just wanted to make sure that it was like dark on me, because my Indian wavy hair from Hair R Us, I dyed it, so I kind of wanted something like simple versus something colored, so that I could have like a little variety in my wig collection. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get the packaging real quick and then I'll come back. So as I said, I'm gonna show you guys the packaging. When I received it, it was in like a bag with the shipping label on it. It wasn't in a box or anything, so I threw that away. But this is the bag that the hair came in. It just says Wiggins hair, once meet, never forget, and it has like a crown on it. So this is what it looks like, and it is like a red color, and it's a satin material. It reminds me of the same packaging that my Hair R Us Indian wavy came in. I hate to keep bringing that up, but this is really what I'm comparing it to, because that hair was bomb. So out of all the 4 bundles, this is all that I have left, and you can see it's literally nothing. And I honestly could put it in my hair, I just didn't feel like it, but I'm probably going to, just because I mean I don't want to waste this much hair. And this is the 20-inch bundle. But yeah, this is the packaging, and I think the packaging is nice and everything. It also came with a purple satin headband. Let me go get that real quick, just so y'all are aware of what you're gonna get. So here's the satin headband type thing that it came with. I know I see a lot of people use this to lay down their closure, so you know, this will come in handy. Oh, by the way, the closure that I got a 6x6 closure. That's the main thing. This isn't a regular closure. This is a 6x6 closure. So there's a lot of parting space. I don't know if you can tell, but the parting space goes really far back. Before this, with my Indian wavy hair, I ordered a 5x5 closure with that hair. And I got that off AliExpress too, but this is a 6x6, so it's supposed to have a little bit more parting space, and it really is supposed to like give you that frontal look. So sorry if mine doesn't look too snatched. I just got back from doing something all day, so my hair probably looks a mess. But I'm gonna get this baby hair lace closure part right soon. But I did just install this hair like yesterday. But what else did I want to say? So getting on to the review part of this, because I know I said I wasn't gonna ramble, and here I am rambling. I did color it jet black, and it took really well. I used the watercolor method. If you want to see that video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Once I get to 10 thumbs up, I'll probably, you know, drop that video, because I did record it, and it took really well. As you can see, the hair was already kind of dark, but I just wanted it to be like, you know, like jet black. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. As far as straightening it, as you can see, this is the normal pattern. Once you wash the hair, this is how the hair is gonna dry. So it's gonna have a natural wave pattern, but you can see it's really frizzy and almost dry looking. So once I installed everything, I did flat iron it, and it got really bone straight. But I ended up cutting it because the ends were a little scraggly. So this is where the hair stops on me right now. Like, stops. almost to my belly button, and before it was like to my hip. So the hair is really long. But it did straighten really well. And then I also curled it with the flat iron, but the curls didn't last because I did just straighten it, which that's not a con or anything, because when I straighten my natural hair then try to put curls in, they just fall anyway. So it did the same thing. I think if I would have just curled it after it air dried, it would have lasted a little bit longer, but that's my fault, not the hair's fault. But it did take to curling really well. And then I flexi rotted it just to, you know, have more curls, and I used like a foaming lotion, and that worked really well. I'll try to insert a clip. I did use flexi rods to curl it, and that came out really pretty, really curly. But today it was raining, and it has been like what, 8 hours since then. So this is what the curls are looking like now. I did use the cheese silk infusion on this hair, so that's why when it was air drying, so that could be a reason why it's super shiny. But like, it's super shiny, it has a lot of body, as you can see, and it's like really soft. Like, this feels like good hair, especially since I cut it and I put some layers in it. Like, it feels really healthy. There's nothing tangling or anything like that. Again, I've only had the hair all of this week, so I haven't really, you know, done anything to it. The only con that I will say is that it does shed. Before I even colored it, did anything, it was shedding. Really, the closure was shedding. I used, when I was like, you know, just combing through the closure, it was shedding. The bundles were shedding. It wasn't like clumps, but it was like hair coming out. And you know, with this hair being long hair, you're gonna be able to tell when it sheds because it's gonna be long strands. But other than that, you know, just the shedding, I would make sure you either seal your wefts, which I don't even know if people still do that anymore, but either seal your wefts or use some got to be glued freeze spray to kind of seal the wefts or seal the knots. But other than that, you know, that's really the only negative I have. So I would recommend this hair as of right now. I will continue to leave updates, so I'll probably either do a 2-week update or a 1-month update, or a 1-month update and then a 3-month update, and so on and so forth.
Hey.
All right, guys, so that is the end of this video, and if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumb up, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment down below. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to your girl. So if that's it, I believe it is, that's all I have for you. So I will see you in my video next week, and thank you so much for watching.